Ah, the frustrating journey of OBD codes, where the solution isn't as straightforward as it seems. You've rolled up your sleeves and replaced the catalytic converters, spark plugs, and all the O2 sensors on your 2013 F150 Coyote, yet the P0430 code persists. Let's unpack this. Firstly, code P0430 points to a problem with the catalytic converter's efficiency on bank 2. It's saying that bank 2 of the engine isn't cleaning up the exhaust as well as it's supposed to, according to the vehicle's onboard diagnostics. But you knew this, and took action. Yet here we are, still in diagnostic limbo. You've targeted the usual suspects: the catalytic converters, CATs, the spark plugs, the oxygen sensors. And still the light shines on, untouched by your efforts. So what's next? It might be time to consider other factors that could be influencing the efficiency of your bank 2 catalytic converter. We shouldn't overlook the possibility of exhaust leaks or intake system issues. Even the smallest leak before the CATs can throw off the readings, making it seem like the catalytic converter isn't doing its job when in fact, it's the air mixture that's off. Another factor could be the fuel injectors. Yes, those pesky little components that can cause a plethora of issues when they're not working correctly. If a fuel injector on bank 2 is leaking or not providing the correct amount of fuel, it could lead to an improper air-fuel mixture, which would inevitably affect the catalytic converter's ability to do its job efficiently. Then, we have to consider the engine's health itself. A misfiring cylinder, worn piston rings, or even a failing head gasket could all lead to incomplete combustion, which would force the catalytic converter to work harder to clean up the exhaust. So what's the smart move here? First, ensure there are no exhaust leaks and that the intake system is in top shape. Simple, yet often overlooked. Next, have those fuel injectors checked. It's a bit more complex, but crucial. Lastly, a comprehensive check of the engine's health might be in order. Compression tests, leak-down tests, they can all provide insights into what's happening in the combustion chambers. Yes, it's turning out to be a longer journey than expected. But as I often find while wandering through the lush green landscapes of Portland, Oregon, the path to solving complex problems sometimes requires patience, a step back to consider the broader picture, and occasionally the willingness to explore routes that we initially overlooked. Keep pushing, and eventually, you'll find the solution. It's out there, waiting to be uncovered. And remember, just as our journeys in the natural beauty around us can surprise us, so too can the solutions to our most pressing mechanical puzzles.